welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to share with you a foam gun that I went ahead and purchased some time back with the little kit when they were having Prime Day. So I want to see how this works, and so I'll go ahead and share that with you guys. So right now I'm just gonna dose it down with some water, and then we'll go ahead and throw that try that foam gun and see how it works, see if it actually will help. And it's a chemical, guys, so you guys will see. And I'll share the kit that I bought. But when I bought it, it was actually, I think Prime Day was about $65, and I think right now it costs like 90 bucks. So we'll see. Hopefully the stuff that it comes with actually works. So I'll let you guys know.
Why is your voice gone?
I don't know. Okay, so
I know why it's gone. All that screaming you did.
the
Why?
Astros game. And I still haven't got it back. Yeah, man, they're back in the World Series. Not a lot of people hating and shit, but you know what? They made it again. So there must be something going on there. All right, so here's the actual foam blaster that I bought. So it came in this box, and all it came was this right here for the hose. It came with a container and a little tip, and so it's pretty self-explanatory. Fill it up to the, that line of soap, and then just fill the rest of it with water. And then the kit that I bought actually came with this one here. So there's another one that I like using, but it came with this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, see how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and get this on. So the one I like using actually is the Chemical Guys Extreme Wash. But the kit came with this one here called what the hell is this called?
Honeydew?
Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. So we'll see how. I've never used this one before. It don't smell bad.
How much of water?
I think you need to fill it up. But look at all that foam.
Oh, come on.
Okay, let's try this. Let's see if it works. I guess. Well, so this is not actually the wash. This is just kind of the pre-wash.
Okay,
So you're supposed to kind of throw it on there. Let's see how it works. I just
get closer. Oh my God! Just get closer.
Oh, and it might not be like as strong as car wash, but. How much is left after I go ahead and use the actual foam gun on the truck. So it's more than half still in there. So I actually still have enough. Yeah, I still have enough for 2 more cars that I do have actually. So that's kind of nice. So now I'll just go ahead and take this off. So now that foam gun, hopefully we use for whatever it had on there. Waffle cloth, I think you would call it.
From who?
From Chemical Guys, and it's supposedly just to dry glass.
See?
Look. It's just for supposedly for glass or windows. How it works. I've never used it before. Oh, I'm sorry. I said waffle cloth. This is waffle.
Weave.
Weave or wave? I don't know. But it's supposedly just for glass. I was just using it right now. I never used it before.
Do you like it so far?
I do. I do. It seems like it doesn't leave too many. It doesn't leave streaks. Whenever you use it for the glass. Here's the actual rubber and plastic protectant that I'm going to try on the inside. It came with the actual kit as well, so let's see how this looks. And it says it shouldn't be leaving an oily substance behind. You know, some of these products sometimes kind of have that, so let's see if this is true, that it won't leave some of that on after we apply it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the panels for the door, and then also on the dashboard, and see how that looks and feels on there. All right, don't smell too bad actually. Let's see. It cleaned it up actually pretty good. I like it. Let me see. It doesn't actually feel too oily like some of these other plastic protectors that they have out there on the market. So it's not too bad. Looks good actually. I don't smell bad either. It doesn't have like an oily residue on there. It actually feels kind of dry to the touch, which is nice. Okay, I'm about to try this on the dashboard to see how it looks. But so far, I tried it on the door panels, and I like the little shine that it gives without the oily substance after you put it on there. So that's pretty cool. I went ahead and applied it on here already. You kind of see a little shine on here. It looks pretty good. You can see that. Looks pretty good. So I'm trying this on the inside first because it's less dirty than the outside. I did wash it, but you know, you always get a little film of debris of some sort. But you can see the streaks look from the water on the outside. I want to try this first and see. It says you can either use it on the microfiber cloth or spray it directly on there. Let's see how this works. It don't smell too strong. It does say it does not have ammonia on it, so it don't smell too bad. Yeah, it looks like it's really pretty good. Let me try the outside too. Yeah, that looks. That's one thing when we watch the cars, one thing I've never liked is how bad you get the streaks from the water. But I think this looks pretty clean actually. Very peachy. And you can use it on glass and on your mirrors too. I mean, it actually does smell like a glass cleaner. Don't have like a weird smell to it. It's not too bad. So we'll see how long it has clean. It looks like it does a pretty good job though of keeping it streak free. Check it out. It's not too bad. Yeah, worked pretty well actually. Not a bad product. Here's everything that came in the kit. So here's the bucket that came with the dirt trap device on the bottom, which I have used before, and it worked pretty nice. It does keep the dirt actually on the bottom and all the soap and the soot on the top, so you don't keep grabbing the dirt and putting it back on the vehicle. So that's kind of nice. And then I have not used this one yet, the wax that comes with the kit. The only reason I haven't used it yet, I'll probably have to make a video with it on its own, is because I use this auto wash that already kind of comes with the wax on the vehicle. But this is my preference. This is just, I've used it and I like how it leaves the vehicle after you go ahead and use it. But I went ahead and used the one that it came with for the actual foam blaster, which was this one here. It doesn't have wax in it, but it works kind of nice. It still leaves the car clean. The way that I actually used the actual foam blaster, just kind of wet it and then, you know, put this in with the water and the foam blaster, and it went ahead and did the job, you know. Just scrubbed it down with the actual brush. And then this Diablo wheel cleaner, it actually worked pretty nice as well. I liked it. Cleans the wheels, takes all the debris off, and you can kind of brush it a little bit if you want as well, if it's too dirty. And then this protectant for the vinyl and rubber. What I like about this one was that it wasn't too oily. It's a little bit oily, but not like some of these other products that was too much. And then this glass cleaner, we went ahead and tried as well. It was kind of nice. The odor is not too bad on it, and it cleans it kind of nice as well. So I like how this one works. These two I probably will keep using after these products go out. Then this applicator pad that came with it as well. I haven't used it yet, but I guess you could use it for either the vinyl and plastics or even on the tires if you want to use it. I have one of these, so this is just an extra one that I'm you know, once the other one's out, I'm gonna go ahead and use. So I kind of swap between a wash mitt and a little brush, and so I use those two. And then it came with 3 microfiber towels, which I already kind of use microfiber towels, so just a couple extra ones to use. And here's the brush that on here says you can either use for the wheels or the body, and just kind of the way the texture feels on it, it actually is not too rough. So you could use it on the body if you wanted to. I just have one that has kind of a longer pull on it, so I can kind of reach the top instead of this one. And then here's the actual foam blaster, which I think does the job. You know, of course it's not a pressure washer, but it works pretty good with the actual garden hose. So what I would say is, unless you're thinking of washing your car every other weekend, or I would say to go ahead and just put either about half of that for the soap or a little less, and you should be good to fill it up maybe halfway or so. Because if you fill it up with all the way to that line that says soap, you'll have a lot left over after you use it, even after you adjust the dial on top to you know, make more foam when you use it on the vehicle. But overall, I mean, I think, of course, I got all this stuff during Prime Day last year, So I got a kind of discount. I think typically it costs about 80 bucks, and I got it for like 60, 70 bucks. So it wasn't too bad. So overall, I think the products work pretty well. You know, there's one product that I will tell you that I've used that I did not like, just because of the way, from Chemical Guys, that the way they left, there's a wheel shine and protectant that they sell, and it leaves your wheels, I don't know if you can see it now, but it leaves the wheels looking kind of reddish after like a week or so. I'll show you guys. This product is the one that I'm talking about, guys. That it's from Chemical Guys. It leaves a real nice shine when you put it on, but after about a week, your wheels start looking kind of reddish, and you can kind of see a little bit there. So that's one thing I probably keep looking for another one. I used to use the Meguiar. I might go back to just the Meguiar for the tires, because I did not like this stuff. Just the way it leaves your tires. I mean, when you put it on, real nice, but after a week or so, it looks really bad. So I probably won't be using this anymore. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if there's any products that you guys use, you know, other than Chemical Guys, let me know. I'd like to go ahead and try them out as well and see how they work on the truck. And I'm not getting any sponsorship by Chemical Guys. This is just my opinion, just using their product that, you know, I got a deal on. So, you know, trying to share with you guys what I see and I learned from their product. So I'll talk to you guys later.